a stair stringer, what you're going to need is a pencil, a 2x12 piece of lumber, 2 of them technically, a framing square, a circular saw, so you can get it out when you're done, and that's about it. Alright, so what you're going to do first, you're going to take your tape, you're going to measure from the top of the landing down to the ground, which we've already done. We got 35 inches. So you take your 35 inches and you divide it by 7.75, and in this case it comes to 4.5. And then since it's a half number, you want to round it up to 5 because you don't want to not have enough stairs. Okay, so the number here, your 5, that's how many stairs you're going to use. So then you take your 35, which is your total rise, and you divide it again by your number of stairs, and this time you're going to get 7, and the 7 is the rise on each step. So then you go back, and since we're using a 2x12, you're going to take the thickness of the tread, which is this here, the thickness here, it's 1.5 inches, and if you have a 1-inch overhang on your stairs, which is the little piece that hangs over the edge when you step up, is you're going to take that off, and you're going to put the little side in your left hand and the big side in your right hand, so it looks like you're kind of like a cup, and then when you lay it down it should look like a big check mark. And how you want to do it is you got your 7 here from, we just did the math, that's your rise, and then you take, since this is a 2x12, it's actually 1.5 by 11.25, and since you have the 1-inch overhang, you got to subtract the 1-inch overhang, so from the 11.25, so you're going to hold it at 7 and 10.25, and you start from the end. You take your square, set it down, you're going to put the 7 up the top here in the corner, and then you hold it at 10.25. Just like this. And then mark your line on the inside. And you take it up, do the same thing. Put your 7 here, put your 10.5 here, or 10.25 here, and draw your line in. Same here, 7, 10.25. And since we have 5 stairs, you want to do it 5 times. 7, 10.25. So we need 1 more here. That's that. Then you go back here. I'm going to draw this line all the way down. And then you take this one, and you're going to transfer it all the way back. And then don't forget to go back and subtract the thickness of the tread.
Tell them why they want to do that. Why they want to do that.
I will when we get there. Since this is a 2x12, the thickness of the tread is technically 1.5. So you want us to take off half the thickness of the tread, which is the size of this here, in this case, which is 3/4. So you just line that up. And take that off. Okay. So we did that because when you hold it up, see how it looks like a staircase now? This butts in. You can walk up the stairs like that. Now what we do is to cut it out.
I just love this one.
He's just cutting it now.
Two on each side. At the beginning, we forgot to mention that you may also need a handsaw to help cut out extra pieces of wood that were not able to be cut out by the circular saw, as you can see here. This would be your finished product. Depending on how wide your stairs you would want, you would cut out more of these. Most likely you would need 2 of these. And, yep, that's it.